Once we did that house hack and we lived in it for about 3 or 4 months, I believe, I actually came to visit here in Nashville and I really loved the area. I thought it had great potential in real estate and a lot of potential to make money because everything was developing. So one way or another, I convinced Dave to move here with me, and we decided we wanted to do the same thing, house hack, as we were doing there because we really loved it. I mean, we were living for free and we weren't ready at the time to be paying for expenses, mortgage and everything out of our pocket. So we started looking for properties down here. We actually were looking on the MLS with an agent because we didn't really know a lot and our time was restricted because we decided we were going to move here in about like 3 months. So we were looking for duplexes in the beginning and everything was super expensive here, not the same as the Buffalo market. And we decided on finding a single family property. It was like a 3 bedroom, 2 bath where we could maybe section off a part of the house and just Airbnb that as well. So we were able to find a single family property that had the master bedroom towards the backyard. So we were just able to, kind of keep the door closed there, put like a deadlock, opened up a wall to have an entrance towards the backyard, and just kind of Airbnb that master bedroom and bath as like a little studio.
We had to get a little creative, and Nashville luckily has the opportunity that most of the houses in the city have an alley in the back.
Yeah.
So we figured the best way an Airbnb can be successful is, surprisingly, if the tenant or the guest doesn't see the owner. Like they don't want to interact with the owner. So we decided to put a back door in, build a nice deck, and they have their own entrance and their own parking in the back.